All right, so I'm finna go get some food for the crib because I'm hungry. We all hungry for real, but finna go pick up some food. But today's video, for what is this? For one, I'm trying to stay consistent. Not trying to, but I'm staying consistent with posting for y'all. Like I said, there will be a video and a live stream every day this month. So ain't no point in me trying to bullshit and slack off knowing, I can do this. I got time to do this. I need to be doing this. I should have been did this a long time ago. But anyway, today's video I want to talk about knowing when to sit on your hands when it comes to trading, because a lot of people come in and a lot of people be new, and I understand the shit be exciting, and it be people be so eager to be in the market. But I feel like if people practice just being patient and sitting on their hands and waiting on setups instead of just trying to jump in random trades or jump on to random pairs just to be in the market, it could cause a bad habit of just over trading. So I say that because when I first started, bro, I always was trying to be into something. You know what I'm saying? It didn't matter what it was. If I knew how to trade the pair or not, I would always try to be in some type of trade just to be like, oh yeah, I'm trading, or I want to make some money or whatever. I wouldn't be patient for nothing. And I remember hearing somebody say something like, the market takes the money out of the hands of the impatient and put it in the hands of the patient. And a lot of people just, they'll try to get into some trades and it'll be way too early, or come on, go get the ball, bro. It'll be way too early, or they be trying to hop into shit just because, you know what I'm saying? But you really have to sit on your hands sometimes, because every day won't be a good trading day. Every day won't be a trading day, honestly. Sometimes the market do be at a standstill, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like in order to really protect your capital, you just gotta not trade sometimes. That's not a bad thing. You don't have to always try to be in something just because. Even if the market's open, I told myself I wouldn't be trading Sundays because market open sometimes don't always go in my direction, or what I'm seeing don't always be what it is for the week. I kind of let the market give me an idea where it's going to go for the week before I start to play some trades, because it's on a Sunday, that's just their first candle. We don't really know what direction it might be going in, because if it's already at the bottom, ain't no telling when it's gonna go back for a retracement or whatever the case may be. But anyway, I really want people to understand that they really should start just sitting on their hands, because you'll get to the point you'll start losing over and over and over just trying to chase trades, and being on the charts all the time, you start to see shit that's not there. And it's the reason I talk about stuff like this, because I've been through it, you know what I'm saying? It was points in times where I'm trying to force candle patterns, and I know for a fact I don't see shit, but in my mind I'm like, well, it looked like it's trying to form this, or it looked like this could happen, and in reality none of that shit was happening. I just wanted it to happen, and it don't matter what I want, you know what I'm saying? So I really want people to understand, it is okay to not trade. It is okay to sit on your hands. You don't have to be in the markets 24/7. Now, if you do see your setup, by all means take it, but don't be trying to force trades knowing there's nothing there. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I just want y'all to understand, y'all really have to, sit on your hands, bro. And it's okay. It's okay to not trade. It's okay to just let the market breathe and do what it's supposed to do. You'll always get an entry. You'll always see your setup, later on. Just if you on a chart for 30 minutes to an hour trying to force a setup, bro, go outside. Go outside, go watch a movie, go do something. Just get off the computer. Go watch YouTube, go play the game. Just if you on the charts and it take you more than, I'd say, if it take you more than 10 minutes realistically, bro, because it don't take long to spot a setup. If it take you more than 10 minutes, you need to get your ass off the computer, bro. That's just how I feel. But like I said, bro, you gotta sit on your hands, bro. The market gonna pay you. You honestly just have to be patient, bro. Wait for this. I'm telling you, waiting 3 weeks for a setup that you know is gonna happen is worth waiting for. because when it play out and it actually go in your favor, you gonna win. Because if you hop into this trade early, like, oh, I know it's not gonna play out for the next X amount of days, but I'm gonna go ahead and get in, and it just keep going the other direction and keep going and keep going and keep going, shit, you gonna fuck around and blow your account, bro. So it's best to just wait. Honestly, it's okay to wait. It's okay to not be in trades. It's okay to sit on your hands, bro. I promise. You will thank yourself in the future for waiting and giving yourself that period of like, okay, I need to start doing this. I need to, you know what I'm saying? Like, building those good habits, I promise you, in the future, you're going to thank yourself. Because imagine you trying to buy into a US 30 or something, and you get in early, like, oh, I know it's going to go this way, but, you know, whatever, the pullback, whatever. And you get in and they keep pulling back and keep pulling back and keep pulling back and keep pulling back. And that negative $20 turn into negative 200. That negative 200 turn into negative 2,000. You losing, bro. Like, and then if you don't want to close, you're going to want to continue holding. And if it just keep falling and falling and falling and falling, you're screwed, bro. So wait patiently for these setup and just, you know, breathe, bro. You breathe, you let the market breathe, and everything is going to be okay. You do not have to always be in some type of trade, bro. If you see your setups, take them, but don't be on there to the point to where you know ain't shit there, and you're like, oh, well, it looked like it's trying to make a double top, or it looked like it's making a lower high, or it looked like a triple bottom, bro. Then you start scrolling through multiple different time frames, trying to force the shit to be what it ain't. Like, bro, just chill, bro. Just chill, bro. If you don't see something on one chart, go to the next. If you've been on the charts for 2 hours and ain't found nothing, go back 4-5 hours later, bro. A new setup might have, you know, appear or some shit. But like, don't sit on the chart for an hour on one chart trying to force a trade, bro. Just don't do that shit to yourself. Just chill out. Make sure you are being smart with your capital. Don't be out here trying to just wild out like, oh, I got this amount, so I'm gonna hop in this, and this, and bro, don't do that. Trust me when I say, bro, patience definitely pays. Because I've had people in the chat talk about certain trades, and I'm like, I don't think that's ready yet, my boy. And they're like, no, I'm going ahead and I see this. Okay. And they come back, you know, we all looking at the charts and shit. And unfortunately, the trade don't go in that person's direction, and all they had to do was wait, because what they was looking for was coming. They was just in it too early. So, like I said, I've experienced it. I've had people in chat that experienced it, and it's something you really can avoid by literally just waiting. That's the number one thing in this video, is to wait, bro. Just wait. Just patiently wait, bro. The market not going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna be where it's gonna be, no matter what. 2-3 days out the week, you know, you may not take a trade in them last 2 days, bro. You might hit for the craziest trade of your life, bro. Just be patient. Literally, just be patient. You ain't got to do nothing but sit there. Just sit and wait. Set your alerts. Make sure everything where it need to be. And just wait, bro. There's nothing more, nothing less. Patience pays. I don't know how many times I have to tell people that. And the reason I make this video is because, like I said, I have people in chat who just, it's like they don't listen. And then when they get hit upside the head, they be like, oh, I should have waited. Or, oh, I should have did this. Or, you know, and I'm just like, you know, what happens to the best of us? Because I'm not always right, bro, at all. Boy, I can't tell you how many times I had blue accounts in the beginning trying to rush this shit. Anyway, I'm finna get my ass in the store and get this food. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little chat. And this week is gonna be a good week, bro. We're gonna get some crazy trades, and we are going to grow these accounts, man. So with that being said, it's been your boy the Ant. Good googly moogly. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.